Good morning, students. In previous session, we are discussing about solution of two linear inequalities graphically. Okay, now we will continue some more problems based on solutions of two linear inequalities graphically. Now up to 6 problems already solved. Now here problem number 7, solve two linear inequalities graphically. Now you know how to solve. Now here first step, what can you do? To convert given inequality into an equation, that is graph of 2x plus y is equal to 8. This is first inequality, this is second inequality, and x plus 2y is equal to 10. Okay. Next step, to find out the points, to find x and y value. To find x and y. Now here x, y. How to take, put x equal to 0. X value 0 togolli, this is 0, y value 8. Conversely, y is equal to 0. Put y value 0. That part is 0. 2x equal to 8. X is equal to how much? 4. Okay. Similarly here, put x equal to 0. That part is 0. 2y is 10. Y is equal to 10 by 2. That is 5. Put y is equal to 0. Y value 0 to x is equal to 10. Okay. Therefore, the points A is a point, x is 0, y is 8. B be a point, x is 4, y is 0. C be a point, x is 0, y is 5. And D be a point, x is 10, y is 0. Okay. Next, join the points. Join the points A, B and C, D. Okay. Now draw the graph. Now here let x and y axis, this is x axis, that is y axis, origin, take scale, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and so on. Here positive direction of y axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and so on. Okay. Locate those points in x and y plane. First point, x is 0, y is 8. X is 0, y is 8. Here, this is A point. X is 0, y is 8. B is the point 4, 0. X is 4, y is 0. This is B point 4, 0. Join AB. Whether that line is it thick line or dotted line? Thick line, because those two are slack inequalities. Join AB. This is one line. Next, C is the point 0, 5. Put x is 0, y is 5. That is C is the point 0, 5. Okay. D is the point 10, 0. Put x is 10, y is 0. D is the point 10, 0. Again join CD. Again it is thick line. This is CD. Right? Okay. ಈಗ there are two half planes, upper half plane, lower half plane. ಯಾವ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Go for next step by substituting x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 in given inequality 1 and 2. Inequality 1 and 2. First to take first inequality, 2 into 0 plus 0 more than or equal to 8. 2 into 0, 0 plus 0, 0 more than or equal to 8. Verify whether 0 is more than 8. 0 8 kinta dodda alla. So which is true or not true? Which is not true. It does not satisfy. Hence, half plane represented by inequality, given inequality 1 is away from the origin. Satisfied ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಒರಿಜಿನ್ ಕಡೆ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ದ ಒರಿಜಿನ್. ಆಲ್ಸೋ x is 0, y is 0 in equation 2. 0 plus 2 into 0 more than or equal to 10 implies this is 0 more than or equal to 10. Again 0 more than 10, 0 10 ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆನಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. So which is not true. ಇದು ಕೂಡ satisfied ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. Therefore half plane represented by given inequality 2 is away from the origin. ಓಕೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾತ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಎರಡೂ ಲೈನ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿ ಡಿ ಲೈನು ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ದ ಒರಿಜಿನ್ ಇದೆ. ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಲೈನ್. ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ದ ಒರಿಜಿನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸಿ ಡಿ ಲೈನ್ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ದ ಒರಿಜಿನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎರಡರದ್ದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನಷ್ಟೇ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಇದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಎ ಬಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿ ಡಿ, ಎ ಬಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿ ಡಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಶೇಡೆಡ್ ರೀಸನ್. ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, this is common part of the shaded region. This is common part. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಎರಡೂ ಲೈನಿದ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಶೇಡೆಡ್ ರೀಸನ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ common reason is the required solution. Common reason is the required solution. This is common portion. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವುದು? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್. 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ? ಎರಡೂ ಲೈನು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ದ ಒರಿಜಿನ್. ಓಕೆ, solve x plus y less than or equal to 9, y greater than x, x should be positive graphically. Now here given first inequality x plus y less than or equal to 9. Second inequality y greater than x, that is same as x is less than y. ಬರಿಬೋದಲ್ಲ? y greater than x is same as x is less than 1, right? Or remove the inequality sign, x minus y less than 0. X minus y less than 0. Okay, now we got two inequalities. Now first step, graph of convert given inequality into an equation. X plus y is equal to 9 and here x minus y is equal to 0. Now to find out the points, x and y value. Okay, x and y value. X, y. Put x equal to 0, y value 9. Conversely, y value 0, x is 9, right? Here x and y. Put x equal to 0. Note x value 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 0 minus y is equal to 0, y is also 0. ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಬಂದುಬಿಡ್ತು, ಹೌದಾ? ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ 0 ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾವುದಾರ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ x is equal to say 4, ಯಾವುದಾರ ತೊಗೊಳ್ರಿ. ಆರ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ x is equal to 5 or you take x equal to 6. ಯಾವಾಗ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು? ಇಫ್ ಬೋತ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆರ್ 0, ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ನಂಬರ್, another number except 0. Say if you take x equal to 1 or take x equal to 2 or x is 3 or x is 4 and so on. Now automatically y value is also 4. Put x is 4, 4 minus, put x equal to 4, 4 hakidara, 4 minus y is equal to 0, y is also 4. Therefore, points are A is a point 0, 9, B be a point 9, 0, C be a point 0, 0, D be a point 4, 4. Next, join the points. Join the points A, B and C, D. Okay. Now, draw the graphs. Now, here, let x and y axis, consider horizontal line and vertical line. X axis, y axis, horizon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and so on. Here upward direction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and so on. Okay. Locate those points in x and y axis plane. First point 0, 9. First number represent x axis value, second number y axis value. X is 0, y is 9. Here A is a point 0, 9. Okay. Next B be a point 9, 0. X is 9, y is 0. B be a point 9, 0. Join those 2 points by drawing the line, whether that line is thick line or dotted line. It is thick line because it is slack inequality. So thick line. Okay. Next, put x is 0, y is 0. That is 0, 0. This is C point. Put x is 4, y is 4. X is 4, y is 4 here. Okay. This is D point. 4, 4. Join CD and extend the line CD. And extend mark. Okay. Now observe that line CD. Second inequality. Is it strict inequality or slack inequality? It is slack inequality, that is broken line. It is broken line. It is broken line. Because it is strict inequality, draw broken line. Okay. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹೌದಾ? Now by taking, for our convenient, put x equal to 0, y is equal to 0 in equality 1 as well as equality 2. Now first to take equality 1. Put x is 0, y is 0. 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 9, that is 0 less than or equal to 9. Is it 0 less than 9? Yes, which is true. Which is true. Okay. Therefore, half plane represented by inequality 1 is towards the horizon. I can satisfied ayatala. It is shade el madbeku towards the horizon. Also x equal to 0, y is equal to 0. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, second inequality 0 minus 0 less than 0, that is 0 less than 0. Is it 0 less than 0? No, which is not true. Which is not true. Therefore, half plane represented by inequality 2 is away from the horizon because it does not satisfy, so that it is shaded portion is away from the horizon. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಎ ಬಿ ಲೈನು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಈಸ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಒರಿಜಿನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಸಿ ಡಿ ಲೈನ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ, away from the origin. This is origin, away from the origin. So common portion ಏನಾಯ್ತು? This is complete downward ಬಂತ ಎ ಬಿದು, ಇದರದ್ದು ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಯಿತು. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? therefore common reason is the required solution. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಓಕೆ, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಯಾವುದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಕಾಮನ್ ಶೇಡೆಡ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Solve 5x plus 4y less than or equal to 20. X is more than or equal to 1. Y is more than or equal to 2 graphically. Now here given there are 3 inequalities are given. 5x plus 4y less than or equal to 20. And here x is more than or equal to 1. Then y is more than or equal to 2. 3 inequalities are given. Now first step to convert given inequality into an equation. Graph of 5x plus 4y is equal to 20. Here x is equal to 1. Here y is equal to 2. Equation is convert ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Now to find out the points x and y value. Okay. Now x, y. Put x equal to 0. X value 0 ಹಾಕಿ. This is 0. 4y is equal to 20. Y is equal to 20 divided by 4. How much? 5. Conversely, put y is equal to 0. Opposite. Y value 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 5x is equal to 20. X is equal to 20 divided by 5. 5 4s are 20. Therefore, the points A is a point, x is 0, y is 5. B is a point, x is 4, y is 0. Join the points A, B. Okay? ಈ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Now here let x and y axis, horizontal line is x axis, vertical line is y axis. This is origin. Take the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. Upward direction positive values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. Okay. Locate those points. Put x is 0, y is 5. X is 0, y is 5. A is a point 0, 5. B is a point 4, 0. Put x is 4, y is 0. B be a point 4, 0. Join the line AB. Before joining the points AB, observe it. Now the given inequalities are strict or slack. These are slack inequalities. Now join AB. That line is thick line. ಯಾವ ಲೈನ್ ಇದು? thick line. Okay. Next, x equal to 1. ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, second inequality. X equal to 1. X is 1. X is equal to 1. Next, y is equal to 2. Y value 2. Here, y is equal to 2. Okay? ಈಗ ನಾವು ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕೀಗ. ಹೇಗೆ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಬೈ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟಿಂಗ್ x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, given inequality 1, 2 and 3. First to take first inequality. 5 into 0 plus 4 into 0 less than or equal to 20. Now that this is 0 less than or equal to 20. Is it 0 less than 20? Yes, which is true. Satisfied ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ತಾನೆ? Therefore, half plane represented by the given inequality, that is 1, is, if it is satisfied, what happen? Is towards the origin. If it not satisfy, away from the origin, towards the origin. Also, second inequality, third inequality nodi, put x is 0, second inequality 0 more than or equal to 1, third inequality 0 more than or equal to 2. Now is it 0 more than 1? No. Is it 0 more than 2? No, which is not true. ಇವೆರಡು inequality satisfied ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. Therefore, half plane represented by inequality 2 and 3. Inequality 2 and 3 is away from the origin because it does not satisfy, so that the shaded portion is away from the origin. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಂ, ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಮೊದಲೇ ಲೈನ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಲೈನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ತಾನೆ? ಹಾಂ, ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈಸ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಒರಿಜನ್. ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಲೈನ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಒರಿಜನ್, ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್. ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶೇಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಎ ಬಿ. Right? Then second inequality, x is more than or equal to 1, which is not true. X is equal to 1, illide tane? This is not true. Is away from the origin. This is towards the origin. Away from the origin means right side. Okay? Then y is equal to, again away from the origin, upward. What is common portion? I think common portion is this part. ಇದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. 3 ಲೈನ್ ಇದು ಶೇಡೆಡ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಾಮನ್. ಯಾವ್ದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಶೇಡ್, ಅದನ್ನು ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಶೇಡೆಡ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಶೇಡೆಡ್ ರೀಸನ್ is the required solution. Common shaded portion is the required solution. ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ರೈಟ್. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್: ಸಾಲ್ವ್ 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 60 and x plus 3y less than or equal to 30. Both x and y should be positive graphically. 5 mark question. Okay, now here solution. First step, to convert given inequality into an equation. Graph of 3x plus 4y is equal to 60. Equation convert ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ equal to 60 and x plus 3y is equal to 30. Okay, then to find out the points x and y value. Okay, very simple values. Take simple values. Put x equal to 0. X value 0 ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. 3 into 0 0. This is 0. 4y is equal to 60. Y is equal to 60 divided by 4. 4 15s are 60. Conversely, put y is equal to 0. Y value 0 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. This is 0. 3x is equal to 60. X is equal to 60 by 3, 20. Right? Here, take x and y value. Same type. X, y. Put x equal to 0 in second equation. This is 0. 3y is 30. Y is equal to 30 divided by 3, 10. Conversely put y is equal to 0. Y value 0 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ x is equal to 30. Right? Therefore, the points A is a point 0, 15, B be a point 20, 0, C be a point 0, 10, and D be a point 30, 0. Join the points A, B and C, D. Join the points A, B and C, D. Okay? Now draw the graph. X and y axis. Now here if you take scale, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ 30 ಇದೆ, ಭಾಳ ಲೆಂದಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಏನು ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋನು, ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ 1 centimeter is equal to 5 unit. 1 centimeter 5 ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಂಬಿಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Okay? You locate those points. First point, x is 0, y is 15. 0, 15. This is A point 0, 15. Next, B is the point 20, 0. Put x is 20, y is 0. This is 20, y value 0, 20, 0. Join AB. That line AB, is it thick line or dotted line? It is thick line. Why? Because it is slack inequality. Less than or equal is it? Slack inequality. Next, C is the point 0, 10. X is 0, y is 10. So C is the point 0, 10. D is the point 30, 0. X is 30, y is 0, D is the point 30, 0. Join CD. This is CD. Okay? ಈಗ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 2 planes, ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್, ಲೋವರ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್. ಯಾವ ಸೈಡ್ ನಾವು ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟಿಂಗ್ x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 in inequality 1 and 2. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 3 into 0 plus 4 into 0 less than or equal to 60. Second inequality 0 plus 3 into 0 less than or equal to 30. This is 0, 0, that is 0 less than or equal to 60. And here also 0 less than or equal to 30. Is it 0 less than 60? Yes. 0 less than 30? Yes. Both are satisfied, which is true. Both are satisfied. Hence, half plane represented by the given inequality 1 and 2 is towards the origin. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಎರಡು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದವು, which is towards the origin. And below the line AB and CD. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? AB ಲೈನ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ, CD ಲೈನು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೌದಾ? ಈಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಾವು ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. A ಇದು B. ಹೌದಾ? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ B. AB ಲೈನ್. ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್, ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಒರಿಜನ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಎ ಬಿ. ಸಿ ಡಿನೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಗೇನ್ ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಸಿ. ಸಿ ಡಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ? ಕಾಮನ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾವು ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ವಿಚ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ರೀಸನ್. ಇದನ್ನಷ್ಟೇ ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಕಾಮನ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಏನು? ಕಾಮನ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್. ಇದೇನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಶೇಡೆಡ್ ರೀಸನ್ or common reason is the required solution of given linear inequality. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಯಾವುದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್. Solve 2x plus 2y less than or equal to 8. 2x plus y less than or equal to 8. Both x and y should be positive graphically. 5 mark question. Okay. Now first step, to convert given inequality into an equation. Graph of x plus 2y is equal to 8 and 2x plus y is equal to 8. Next, to find out the points, x value and y value. To find the points. Okay. X, y, put x equal to 0, x value 0 toward this is 0, 2y is equal to 8, y is equal to 8 divided by 2, 4. Conversely put y is equal to 0, x is equal to 8. Here put x is equal to 0, that part is 0, y value 8. Put y is equal to 0, 2x equal to 8, x is equal to 4. Therefore, the points are: A is a point, x is 0, y is 4. B is a point, x is 8, y is 0. C is a point, x is 0, y is 8. And D be a point, x is 4, y is 0. Okay. Join the points A and B. Join the points A, B and C, D. Okay. Now draw the graph. X and y axis. O is the origin. Scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and so on. Locate those points in x and y plane. First point, A is the point 0, 4. Put x is 0, y is 4. This is A point 0, 4. Okay. B be a point 8, 0. Put x is 8, y is 0. This is B point. Yenagutte 8, 0. Join the line AB. Now by drawing the line AB, identify both the inequalities are slack inequality. Draw a line, it is thick line. Okay. This is AB line, thick line. Next, C is the point 0, 8. 0, this is 8. C be a point 0, 8. D be a point 4, 0. This is 4, x value 4, y value 0, 4, 0. Join CD again, the line is thick line. Thick line. Okay. There are two planes, upper half plane, lower half plane. ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ನಾವು ಈಗ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Now go for next step. By substituting x equal to 0, y is equal to 0 in inequality 1 and 2. Take first inequality, x value 0 plus 2 into 0 less than or equal to 8. Second inequality, 2 into 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 8. Implies 0 plus 2 into 0, 0 less than or equal to 8. Here also 0 less than or equal to 8. Verify whether 0 less than 8, yes, which is true. ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಎರಡು ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ represented by inequality 1 and 2 is away from the origin or towards the origin. If it satisfies, it is towards the origin, and below the line AB and CD, towards the origin. AB ಮತ್ತು CD ಲೈನ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಬೇಡ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ AB ಲೈನು ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಒರಿಜನ್ ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್, CD ಲೈನು ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಒರಿಜನ್ ಡೌನ್ ಲೈನ್, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇಡೆಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಷನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಾಗ ವಿಚ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್? ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಬೇಡ. ಓಕೆ, ಎರಡು ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಾಮನ್ ಶೇಡೆಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸಿ ಡಿದಿಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಎ ಬಿದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಎರಡೂ ಶೇಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟು ಶೇಡೆಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಶೇಡೆಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ಅದಷ್ಟೇ ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ರೀಸನ್. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಶೇಡೆಡ್ ರೀಸನ್ is the required solution of given linear inequalities. Okay, these are 5 mark questions. So this completes the topic linear inequalities. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಒಂದೇ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಅಂದರೆ that is 2 mark. If 2 linear inequalities are given graphically, 5 mark question. 5 mark questionಗೆ ಗ್ರಾಫನ್ನು ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಶೀಟಲ್ಲೇ ನೀವು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ 2 to 3 times ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್, ಆಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ once again ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Clear students? So this completes the linear inequalities. In next class we will discuss another topic. Okay, thank you students.